Oh my god, okay, YouTube, this is fucking day after. We're still in fucking Orlando.
I am so, like, hungover right now.
She's hungover.
I'm not hungover. I'm feeling great.
I'm not hungover either. I'm so straight right now. Like, I'm ready to fucking eat and just.
Yes, let's
It's Sunday. Sunday dinner. Yes. And oh my god, we had so much fun, guys. I'm sorry we can't bring you in. No, you gotta make a U-turn.
No, it's right here.
No, you gotta make a U-turn.
Oh,
this bus of you. Yup, you got this shit. Oh my god, guys, she's really trying to fucking kill us.
Yeah,
but anyway,
excuse me, YouTubers. But yeah, okay, so morning after, and I'm fucking awesome. Go. Ah, shit.
Ah, that bitch said I'm fucking awesome.
We're fucking awesome.
But listen, guys, we really had fun.
Have fun.
And I don't have. Yes, Limelight, y'all gotta go.
You have to go.
If you're in Orlando,
every Saturday, check out Limelight. We should have brought them in the club with us. We should have brought the kids in the club.
We should have brought y'all in the club because we couldn't have brought y'all in the club because we was really getting crazy. We was getting really crazy.
Getting thrown in the air and shit, getting picked up.
What? My dogs got it in for me.
Hell
Do you hear me? I didn't think my bitches were gonna get that crazy, but they did.
You know how we do, don't you guys?
They got the and Tasha was on the floor doing doggy style. More fire than Tasha. More fire than Tasha. Oh my god. And for you, Missy.
I know.
Oh my god.
Crazy. Up in a corner on
what?
Doing white boys.
Okay.
Handing my black ass.
Yes, she was getting in, y'all, with the white boy. The white boy was getting down.